Wanted to highlight one of our newer members, John Murray. So John came to me and to Recruitemy, typical where he was working a corporate job 9 to 5 and was just tired of giving up all his commissions to the house, to the recruiting agency owners, and just knew he could do this on his own and have a better lifestyle and just, enjoy life essentially and not be confined to a desk every day or going to an office. And I got to say, I cannot say enough great things about what John has done in short order. So it was important for him to get involved in retained search, meaning where you collect a payment up front from a recruiting client before you start your search. And what I wanted to highlight and bring out here is the way that John has really taken detailed focus on his brand, his look, his feel between LinkedIn and his website. So we helped John create his banner right here in his LinkedIn profile, which is very clear as to what he does. First of all, he's in a great niche, renewable energy. These are the skill sets that he's providing. His headline is very clear for any type of hiring manager out there to know exactly what John does. He even had this really cool promo right here, which you can do from your smartphone on your LinkedIn account here. So we got all this creative for him. The look and feel is just amazing, in my opinion. We then took it a step further and built a website for John. We had this done in probably 2 weeks' time, if not less. Very professional looking. I love how this came out. So we do recruiting specific websites for our members when they come on board if you need that as part of our package and product at a very, very low cost. So we've got a lot of samples here that we can show you. But more importantly, I just love what John's doing here, and it's all paying off because if we go into his LeadCast account, which our members all jump into when they first come into the Recruitemy program, I want to show you some of his stats that are just the best stats that I've seen since having LeadCast for the past 2 years. Let me jump into his profile here and share some stuff with you. So what LeadCast is, guys, it's a way to scale your LinkedIn and cold email efforts out on automation. I'm not a big fan of automation. I think automation is good to open doors and elicit responses and start dialogue with clients or candidates. But from there, you need to take it over and build a relationship. Any good recruiter that I know has the best relationships in place, and you're not going to do that through automation. But check this out. Okay, let me go to his reporting tool here and date back to when we started this campaign for him. I believe it was around December 1st of 2022. And I want to show you one stat that I was just thoroughly impressed with, which was his LinkedIn acceptance rate, which I'll scroll over here. So here we go, 38%, phenomenal. This is when you send a connection request out to a prospect, a targeted lead on LinkedIn, a hiring manager, and they accept your first degree connection. 38% is outstanding. Typically, you want to be around 15 to 20%. He's absolutely crushing the metric right here. And the reason he's crushing it is because of his brand. It's resonating so well with his targets as LinkedIn. It's all matching up. It's all uniform. It's got a ton of synergy, and it's speaking really well to his target audience.